Welcome to another radio related video, and this is a video in the series for tuning the shortwave bands from 3 to 30 megahertz in 2 megahertz segments with comments. So we'll try to see what signals we can hear around the bands. We started off with tuning 30 megahertz to 28. So we're really going 2 megahertz at a time on each video. And basically we're working our way slowly down to 3 megahertz. And now we're at 18 to 16 megahertz. We're going to tune in the 16 to 18 megahertz band backwards, starting at 18 going down. And this is done at 0120 UTC. And we are June 25th, 2013. And that corresponds to 9:20 p.m. late evening here in Montreal. We have our sunset that happened about 40 minutes ago. We still see a little bit of bluer skies in the west-northwest, but we're slowly getting dark now. So let's start tuning around down from 18. Basically what we have from 17.5 to 18, we have the 16 meter international broadcast band. So let's tune around here.
The official line carries no hint of fear whatsoever. The government says it's unrested by Mr.
This is Radio Australia.
Hardline Prime Minister Hun Sen has ruled for 3 decades and runs vowed to remain in power until the age of 90. Currently, his party has 90 of 123 parliamentary seats.
One of the good frequencies for North America, 17795 at this time, and propagation works well.
We are worried about that. I'm requesting for Mr. Pittsburgh.
This is possible Radio Free Asia. That noise, that strong hash type noise, you can hear. This is what we call DRM, Digital Radio Mondial. It's a digital type of transmission. And this, on this frequency, I believe it's Radio New Zealand broadcasting its digital signal at this time. Unfortunately, I personally find that this is more interference than anything useful. And I always think that basically we should have DRM signals on specific frequencies, not scattered all around the bands like this, which personally I find really annoying. Now we'll go down. This I believe is a weak station from China. Actually, China Radio International. In the lower part of 17 megahertz, we have utility signals mostly. Digital transmissions here. From 16 to 17 megahertz, lots of signals, utility signals, but we have stations like this, as you can hear, and this is typically fire Drake type signals. It's, you know, China putting the Chinese national radio on frequencies where it can block. Most of the time it will try to block a station called Voice of Hope, and this is scattered all the way around the bands, but there's often many frequencies on 16 megahertz where you can hear them. This is Maritime Station WLO, sending out a few signals here. WLO is coastal radio in the USA. Frequency for China, really out of band. This is actually an interesting one. But does this transmit? I don't know. Some radio teletype type signal. And finally, here we are at 16 megahertz. We just tuned around 18 to 16. As you can see, lots of little signals to try for on this 2 megahertz segment, and depending the time of day, you hear different parts of the world and different types of signals. It's nice little segment to tune around and see what we can hear. So this was tuning from 18 to 16 megahertz, and this is part of our series, tuning 2 megahertz at a time. And we are, of course, going from 3 to 30 megahertz, so we'll have all these 2 megahertz segments online, showing you what we can hear on the shortwave bands. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the series. 73.